In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule blog posts in WordPress, a powerful feature that helps you plan content ahead of time and stay consistent even when you're busy or away. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. From here, either create a new post or open an existing one you'd like to schedule. Once you're inside the post editor, look to the right-hand side for the post settings panel. In this panel, find the section labeled status and visibility. Next to publish, you'll see the word immediately. Click on it and a date and time picker will appear. This allows you to choose exactly when your post should go live. Select your preferred future date and time, making sure it aligns with your intended schedule and time zone. After setting the date and time, you'll notice the publish button changes to schedule. This confirms that WordPress is ready to publish your post automatically at the selected time. Click schedule to finalize it. If you want to review scheduled posts, go to post from the dashboard. Click all posts and filter by scheduled. You can also reschedule or publish immediately by editing the post and adjusting the date and time. And that's it. Scheduling posts in WordPress helps you stay organized, consistent, and in control of your content strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.